In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can become an official Capcut PC affiliate member. Or basically, you're an affiliate member for Capcut. It doesn't have to be PC, it can be mobile. Step number 1 is to open up a new tab on your search browser or engine and type in this, Capcut Affiliates Program, and click enter. The next step is to click the first option, the second, or even the third. The first and the third are both the same. Capcut Affiliate Marketing Program. On their website, you can see that you can become a Capcut affiliate and grow your brand and earn up to $15,000 in commissions. And you can click apply now, or you can read more on their website. In this case, when click apply now. Now, on this page, you can make more money from your traffic and audience. And basically says there's 5 minutes to complete this. Click sign up. And once this has loaded, this is Capcut's affiliate program's contract. So as you can see, an online sale, you will get 20 to 35% USD if you live in the United States. And here are the payout details. 1. If the customer is new, you get 35% of the sale. Number 2, customer is existing, you get 20% of the sale. And then there's all other. You get 0%. What a shame. And then under payout, it basically, if you live in the US, UK, France, or I think that's what FR stands for, DE, I don't even know what that is too. Sweet as it sounds. Well, you get nothing. The schedule, you can read that. Qualified referrals, and this is probably good to read as well. As far as a B grade scale, an A grade scale, and yeah, it just says like how much you could or could not get paid based off of different scenarios that they have, right? So for example, your A rewards is if B pays for a month, then A gets $10 times 35%. You're only getting $3.50. And then the B grade scale, you're getting $2. But, however, if someone pays for $90 or a yearly subscription, you'll get $31 or you'll get $18. It's your choice, you choose. Well, this is how you can become a Capcut Affiliates member for free in 2024.